This is another video on the evening time today. After whole day snowstorm, now is the night time. How nice outside. It's all snow, and on the air is dark. On the ground is shining like a pearl, silver. It's look like very nice. After whole day snowstorm, this is evening time. Now I am going back home. On the roadside, a lot of snow pile up here. And extraordinary beauty. So this is, I'm in Ottawa now. This is a Carling Street. I'm going home. Yeah. It's sometimes it's slippery. Now I will hit 417. This is a Carling service. Then I will hit 417 east to go get it. This is the night time after snowfall whole day. Now I am heading 417 East Highway. Four one seven East. It's a less car today. Normally it is full of traffic. Because of snowstorm all day, less people come out with their car. A lot of place is closed today. School closed. I think some office also closed today because snowstorm. And tomorrow also we have a snowstorm. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I am taking the exit Rochester to go Gatineau. It's very nice outside. Ground is lighter than sky. This is Ottawa, capital city of Canada. night time is more beauty than daytime sometimes, especially when snowfall. Ground is very shiny. I'm take exit Rue Rochester from 417 East. All the place is snow and snow. This is now local. It's all small mountain. Near the road is all snow. People file up from their driveway. They clean their driveway and they file up roadside. Now is a city responsibility. They have to take out this snow from the roadside. All the place, small mountain, snow mountain. Shoveling. heading now. It's called Gatineau Hull. This all federal office. Some office they work whole night, 24/7, because as a big country, Canada, they have to control all over the world. In some place of the world, sun is rising. Some places sun setting. So some places office opening now. If they need any help, this is call center. This one is office. They work 24/7. So whole night also they are working on this area, because they are controlling all over the world. They are foreign office. Canadian foreign office, they are controlling from here, because this is capital and this is all federal office here. So they are controlling all over the world. They are foreign office. So that's why sometimes people work here whole night. It will be more clear. The big high-rise building is all government office, and they are working here. On the red light, I have a right to make right turn if lane is clear. So it's clear, that's why I make a right turn on the red light. But not all province. Some province allow, some city allow, some place they don't allow. If you do, you have to, if police catch you, you have to pay penalty, fine. Sometimes you lose your demerit point of your license. This is very bad. So in front of the light is a Parliament Hill, our Canada Parliament building, and behind the Parliament building is a Quebec area, Gatineau. I live there. This is the border of Ontario province and Quebec province. So now after cross this bridge, I'm going Quebec province again, and in front of me all high-rise building. This all federal office. They are working 24/7 whole night. Also I saw always light is on there, and people working because they are controlling all over the world, all foreign office, embassy and everything. They are controlling from here. So this all government office here. It's 24/7 they are working. It's very nice area. I like this place. This all government building, federal building. People working. It's a very nice area. But this is the Quebec area. Another is Ontario. And capital city Ottawa is in Ontario province, but is a whole Gatineau. This is in Quebec province. So Canada government build a lot of federal building in Quebec side also, because equal respect for the province. I think this is my interpretation, that if they build all the building in Ontario province, this is not good, because nearby one city. So this city also for develop and to equal justice or to respect, they make a lot of federal office in Quebec area also. So this is a two city on the border side, Ontario and Quebec, two big city, Hull and Ottawa. Hull Gatineau is called Hull Gatineau, and other side is Ottawa. It's very nice area. Now I am in Quebec area. All people, they respect the traffic law because there's no car, nothing, but because of red light we are all waiting for the green light. And some places they install a camera, and two kinds of fine there. One is if you violate the red light or stop sign, and another one if you violate, if you make a speed there, they have a speed limit. If you exceed the limit, camera taking picture at night also, then they are sending you ticket on your home. There's nobody here, but you will get ticket on your mailing address. It's very good, easy. I got one time $350 ticket for red light, or maybe for speed, I don't know. So, and they will explain you everything, because it is only 4 to 5 second matter. Every second they will explain you what you will do, what you do on the red light, or what you do on the speed. They will explain you everything, and you are bound to pay. This is the law for everyone here. Law don't ask who are you. Prime Minister to normal citizen, what I will tell, general, Prime Minister to citizen, all citizen, law is same for all. No different law, one country. Law for everyone, same law. So this is the Canada. This place also have a camera. If you make a speed, you will get a ticket, and ticket will deliver to your home. They will take the picture of your number plate, and they will find out your address, which address this car is registered. So they will mail you on your mailing address. Here is also small mountain of snow. I am near my apartment almost. I have underground parking, so I don't need to think about the parking, but a lot of people, they have to think the parking, because there's no parking today on the roadside. So all roadside is a pile of snow. They cannot park here. This is normally people park a lot of car here roadside, but today they cannot park. They have to find out some places. but I am lucky that I have a underground parking on my apartment. So I will enter right now on my underground parking. This is for the resident parking, outside parking, but I am lucky that I have a inside parking, underground parking. This is the underground parking I am going now. Now is I'm going underground parking. This is my parking lot. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.